All right, let's talk about the weather right now because we are tracking some severe weather, the potential for severe weather in our state.
Really humid out there this weekend, too.
Yes, and we're going to go right back to a refreshing spring air mass after this comes through. What a world of a difference it's going to be when you wake up tomorrow morning. Let's take a look and see what the severe weather outlook here stands at across Connecticut. And if you're looking at most of the state, you'll see that we're in a level 2 out of a level 5 risk scale. But just to the west of us is a level 3. So that's where the highest threat is going to be today in the Northeast. Storms will generally tend to weaken as they push farther east. And if you want to know more about that, meteorologist Ryan Breton is going to be here in a few minutes to discuss more on why these storms tend to weaken in these types of situations. But the greatest risk is going to be for strong gusty winds. There is a low risk for a tornado in western areas. It's just low. It can't be ruled out. So I don't want you to be nervous, but just make sure that you're keeping an eye on things as we progress through this evening, and we'll keep you posted. Severe thunderstorm warnings are in effect all along this line right now, and I wanted to show you not only are we seeing some intense heavy rain and lightning, but there's also some large hail in parts of this line as well. Just north of Ulster and Kingston, you'll see hail over an inch in diameter, so that's pretty impressive stuff. And if you time this out, and I mean, you can't take this verbatim, but it looks like it'll start to approach parts of northwestern Connecticut as we head towards 5:15, but it may take a little bit longer as you move farther east. So the general threat time, I think, between 5 o'clock tonight and around 9 or so. After that, there might be a few lingering showers or rumbles of thunder, but the likelihood for getting a stronger storm will have passed by that point. Taking a look at the humidity day by day, again, you'll notice that we completely drop back to the bottom of the scale here as we head through the day tomorrow. So a total air mass switch, and you don't get those in the weather world without getting some fireworks. So that's what's happening tonight. Scattered showers and thunderstorms out there. Not a severe storm for everyone, though. Temperatures right now are in the mid to upper 70s, close to 80 degrees for Windsor Locks. And again, it is steamy out there. Winds out of the south anywhere from 5 to 18 miles per hour with some higher gusts. So notice again, heading towards 5 or 6 o'clock, some of that line starts to approach. Out ahead of the line, though, we could see a shower or thunderstorm arrive, and you'll see as we head through the evening, this is 7:30, 8 o'clock, we'll see those showers and storms continue to progress farther east, and by the news at 10, again, there might be a leftover shower or rumble of thunder, but things will be ending around that time frame, and you'll also start to feel the air. If you go to walk your dog late tonight, maybe before you go to bed, it'll be completely different than what you're experiencing right now. Low temperatures tonight dropping into the 50s, heading through the day tomorrow. Breezy, less humid, high temperatures climbing into the low to mid 70s. You know, some areas today in the mid 70s, but again, this will feel totally different with that lower humidity. And it will be breezy, as I mentioned before. Winds out of the west at 5 to 15 miles per hour and higher gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Lots of sunshine for your Wednesday, a refreshing air mass in place, but the heat and humidity, it doesn't stay away for long. In fact, we could have our first 90-degree day on our hands heading into this upcoming weekend. It looks like the humidity gets a bump up on Friday. The heat-humidity combination on Saturday is going to be a real thing. Got to find a friend who's got the pool open already. That will end on Sunday with showers and storms in the afternoon, and then we'll cool back down again as we head towards this time next week. We'll continue to watch the radar very closely for you guys. Much more coming up over the next hour or two, guys.
Summary